I've always really enjoyed the hands-on aspect of it.
I love the DIY competition because it is an opportunity to really show one's creativity, whether individually or part of a group.
It's really fun making something and then showing other people up and just coming to the table with like your best and most creative thing.
I think the creativity and seeing what people come up with our products.
I like to see everyone's personality shine in their projects.
I like DIY because it's fun, obviously, but it also gets people working together on something creative.
I think one of the things I like the most is that it's been a legacy. It's probably the first cool thing that we did that everybody was into.
Actually seeing how products are put together and how you get them to work, you don't really get that experience from spec sheets. You get it from actually using it.
I think what I like the most about the DIY is how competitive everyone in the office gets with it. It's a fun competitive. You know, people like to kind of talk shit to each other. We can bleep that out, right?
It's something different, first off. You know, it's a way to interact with the product or actually educate yourself on the product and the technology itself. And just kind of an easy guide into what the company actually does.
So of course I'm being biased. So my favorite project when I did with Wes Buck up here.
Christina and Wes's tape light project.
The penny project.
Copper penny, large example of Blaze, which was a replication of our tape light, which is right over there.
Well, mine, of course. I mean, it was a Rube Goldberg machine.
We were totally robbed. I'm talking to you, Mike, you and your mirror, because we did a Rube Goldberg machine. No. We did a Rube Goldberg machine and it was awesome.
JB's lamp, the different white light changing switch, and he had this lamp and you could adjust if you wanted like a cool white or a warm white. It was just a lot of fun.
The candy cane one was fun because it was incredibly bright. I think it was 2 spools of Blaze in one candy cane, and it was very blinding.
My second favorite is beer bottle chandelier. I thought that was really cool.
Another one would be my personal favorite, which is my own project, where I took an old school Apollo DMX controller and wrote a scene where it represented the beat of Christmas music.
I did a Flame Princess costume from Adventure Time and it was fantastic. And I soldered Sidewinder and that was not very fun at all. So thank you, manufacturing, for actually soldering Sidewinder. Bless your hearts.
I really enjoyed putting together an LED fish tank.
Brett's aquarium, it was like a stormy aquarium.
Mike Goodman's guitar.
The guitar that Michael made.
Really, I love the guitar.
He made an acrylic guitar, a bunch of LEDs in it. He approves.
I think they're very dynamic, creative, and exciting.
Collaborative.
Creativity.
Creative.
Creative.
Really creative solutions.
Innovative.
Innovation.
Fun.
Definitely fun.
It's fun.
It's fun.
Because it's fun.
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 And it's a good learning experience.